Hi there, this is Bob Burridge here to tell you about a special workshop that I have coming up there in Mexico, but you get to stay in your studio. You know, Bob Mazla has that wonderful Casa for the artist down there in Puerto Vallarta, actually 10 miles south of Puerto Vallarta. It's just for us. We stay in this great Casa on the beach in a fishing village, and we do workshops. We paint for several days on the top floor overlooking the fishing village, right there on the beach. They feed us. We stay there, and I get to teach there. We get to listen to all the wonderful Mexican music out there as we're out there in this open air studio. Very protected, wonderful place. It's my favorite place. I've been going there for many years. Well, we can't go there this year. So what we're gonna do, Bob has put this together. I think it was a great idea that, hey, let's do it as a Zoom workshop. So I'm about to do one, but still the same Mexican flair. We're gonna be doing single subjects like Mexican coffee, pineapples, or whatever kinds of fruits we wanna do. We'll be doing beach scenes right there in our own studio. We'll be doing florals from the botanical gardens. Boy, do I miss it there. It's a fantastic place. We've always had a great time. But this time, Bob has become a little more creative and says, everybody stays home, and we get to still have that wonderful Casa flair that only Robert Mazla can put together, which we really miss. So this year, it's gonna be great to kind of have fun again and be with other people who wanna, from all over the world, staying home in your studio and painting those wonderful Mexican scenes. The only thing I'm gonna miss is their wonderful homemade food and the ocean air right there. But we're gonna be doing this in our own studio. I'm gonna be reminiscing some of the things that we've been doing there from the past time, sharing that kind of stuff. And my job is to get you to paint a lot. You will be painting a lot. And so I'll be talking less, painting more, doing lots of demos. It's great fun, and I'm just so happy to be back there in Casa and staying in my own studio. Hey, all the dates are coming up there. I think it is March 9th to the 12th. So it's all about Viva la Fiesta. I'll see you in Mexico. Hey, thanks for watching.